Hi, Charan. Why are you late today? Charan, are you hearing my voice?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir, sir, on 5:50 only class started, sir.
Yeah, I just started for you, waiting for 10 minutes for you. After 10 minutes, I end the session, and after you call, I just started now. Okay.
How many minutes are there, sir? How much time is there now?
Okay, take a look at this.
Mm.
We already did yesterday all these problems.
Yes, sir.
Write all 3-digit numbers, 235,
Mm.
taking each digit only one time.
Mm.
The smallest 5-digit number having 3 different digits.
Mm.
Yeah, we did this one, right? 604.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Completed.
Repetition is not allowed. Repetition is allowed.
Loaded.
Next, take a look at this question.
Yeah.
Question number 4A.
Mm.
Write down that question. 4A. How many
Oh, how many?
3-digit numbers are there?
3-digit
How many 3-digit
numbers.
numbers are there?
Yes. Completed, sir.
Actually, how many 3 digits numbers are there? What this question related to the this problem. How many 3-digit numbers out of those all? Actually, we did
Mm.
yesterday. How many 3 digits numbers are there? Actually, 0 in first place. 0 in first place not considered as a 3-digit number.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
After the numbers which we already formed with the use of given digits, we have taking 4 at ones place and taking 4 at sixth place. We have this kind of numbers. This kind of numbers 9 plus 9. So totally there are 18 numbers which are 18 numbers. 18 numbers which are 3-digit. Okay.
Mm.
Next question.
Mm.
4B. Write all possible 2-digit numbers using the digits 2 and 7
Mm.
when
Mm.
repetition of digits is not allowed.
Mm.
Write all possible
Mm,
2-digit numbers
mm,
using the digits 2 and 7
mm.
when repetition of digits is not allowed. Repetition of digits is
Mm.
not allowed. So we should not repeat any digit according to the question.
Mm.
And we have to form a 2-digit numbers using 2-digit
Using the
using the digits 2 and 7.
7.
Actually, the given digits are
Mm,
the given digits are 2, comma 7.
mm,
We can form 2-digit numbers like 27 because repetition of digits are not allowed. 27 and 72. These are the two numbers only we can form under
mm.
the conditions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next question.
See,
Write
all possible.
all possible 2-digit numbers. Write all possible 2-digit numbers using the digits 3, 4, 8,
3, 8.
3, 4, 8 when repetition allowed and not allowed.
Good.
Write all possible 2-digit numbers using the digits 3, 4, and 8 when repetition allowed and not allowed. We have to create a 2-digit number.
Mm,
We have to create a 2-digit number
mm,
with the use of these digits 3, 4, and 8.
mm,
3, 4, and 8.
mm.
Repetition is allowed and not allowed. Both cases we have to give our observation. Suppose make a title repetition not allowed. Repetition,
Not allowed.
repetition, not allowed.
Mm,
Repetition not allowed. If the repetition is not allowed,
mm.
repetition is not allowed. So the given digits are 3, 4, 8. We have to form a 2-digit number. So take 2 blank boxes. We have to fill and form a 2-digit number.
34.
Yes, since repetition is not allowed, out of the 3 given digits, we can use any one of here. The possible ways of filling this box is 3 ways because we have 3 different digits. we can put that box 3, or also we can put that box with 4,
Mm.
or also we can fill that box with 8. 3 possibilities is there.
Mm.
After the filling that box, the next
Mm.
box which is empty and
Mm.
which we are calling ones place,
Mm.
we can fill that box with remaining
Mm.
2 given digits, because the third digit was used in the first box, and here the title is repetition not allowed.
Mm.
So we should not use the digit which was used in the first box.
Mm.
So remaining 2 digits were used for filling this second box. So possibilities of second box filling is 2 ways.
Mm.
So total possibilities 3 into 2. Total possibilities 3 into 2. How many ways?
Mm.
6 ways. So we have
Yes.
6 different
Mm.
2-digit numbers.
Sir, why
Yes.
we got two here?
Why
Why
we
we got two here? Two
to where
before
to?
here after three in second box.
Because let us suppose make a trial with
Mm.
make a trial to understand this concept. The 2 boxes is look like this,
Mm.
and what is your lucky number among these 3 digits? Either 3 or
Four.
4 or 8. You have to choose one of them and put
Mm.
here.
Mm.
Let us. I choose a 3, so I put this 3 in the first empty box.
Mm.
Later, how many choices left there for me to fill this second box?
Two.
2 choices. So that is the 2
Mm.
here I wrote.
Mm.
Okay. And for the first box,
Mm.
again you are thinking about the first box. Initially we have 3 choices is there. You can
Mm.
took 3 or 4 or 8 for filling this first
Mm.
empty box. This can
Mm.
be the possibilities. You can put here in this box 3,
Mm.
or you can put here 4, or you can put
Mm.
here 8.
Eight
Yeah. Total how many possibilities? 3 possibilities.
possibilities.
After yes, after filling this box, and remember only, and at a time you can fill that box, each box only with one number only.
Mm.
It is not so much tricky and it is not a difficult one. It's a practical problem. Let us do with
Mm.
another method.
Mm.
Let us do this problem with another method. That what we are here. How many got we here? 6 numbers. Let us
Six.
write a 2-digit numbers with a practical explanation.
Mm.
Now form a 2-digit number without repetition.
Mm.
Let me start with 34, because that is the least one. 34. What's
Mm.
next? 38. Okay. What is the next? 43. What is the next one? 48.
Eight.
What is the next one? 83. What is the next
Three.
one? 84.
84.
Actually, how many are there? Numbers are totally 6.
Mm.
Without writing all these in practical, we
Mm.
can
Mm.
directly calculate using this boxes method.
Mm.
3 into 6 numbers we got finally.
Mm.
Now, now the second case, repetition is
Mm.
allowed.
Mm.
Repetition allowed.
Allowed.
Yes. Repetition allowed. What happens when repetition is allowed? To make a 2-digit number with the 3 given digits. Make a title here, repetition. Repetition is allowed. If repetition is allowed, now again take the
2 boxes.
2 boxes and let us fill the first box with how many digits? We can use 3 digits here to fill the first box
Mm.
and 3 digits here for the filling the second box. Because repetition is allowed, again you can use the same digit. Again you can also use the same digit what you already used in the first box. There is no restriction here. Okay, second box would also be filled with again 3 possibilities. So the ways are 3 into 3, which is 9.
9.
Yes, this means these are also included. All these numbers are also included
Mm.
in the repetition way.
Mm.
In repetition allowed, all these are included. And also some more numbers are added with these numbers. Those are 33 because repetition is allowed. And 44 repetition is allowed.
Mm.
And 88, this one is also allowed because repetition is allowed. So
Mm.
these 3 numbers are also included with the different kind of numbers. Totally we have 6 plus 3, 9 practically, and theoretically in boxes method, these are also gives you the same result, 3 into 3, 9.
Mm.
Okay. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. That's all for today, Charan.
No.
End the session now. I will share this video with you. Okay,
Mm.
tomorrow onwards, your timings will be a little bit changed, half an hour before,
Mm.
and 5:30 to 6:30 is your timing slot. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.